This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Meticulously maintained condo in the highly desirable West Neck community. This condo features an open living space and 3 large bedrooms with 2 bathrooms and a true laundry room and walk-in pantry, and an oversized 2-car garage. Primary suite has large walk-in closet, double vanity, jetted soaker tub, and walk-in shower, both outfitted with handrails and handheld shower head. There is an elevator for easy accessibility from the garage to the one-level living on the 2nd floor. The comfortable balcony porch is the perfect place to enjoy the private wooded view and a cup of coffee or read a book. The low condo fees include grounds/building maintenance, water, sewer, private trash pickup, and master insurance. This community boasts the opportunity for resort living with gorgeous landscaping, neighborhood clubhouse, fitness center, library, social clubs and pool. For more information